So today we're trying something a little different. Domino's. They make a salsa bar style pizza. Now, I'm a little skeptical about it because, well, it's Domino's, for one. For two, it's a 12-inch pan pizza. And I don't know what to expect. But we're going to go try it out. I just ordered it online. Going to go pick it up and we'll see what Domino's has for salsa bar style pizza. I also forgot to mention, Domino's is within 5 minutes to my house. It's in Rockland. It's right around the corner. So another salsa bar style pizza that's in the Mecca of salsa bar style pizzas. For those of you that don't know where this is, it's diagonally across the street from another fine establishment, McDonald's. Here it is here, Domino's. Okay, so it's in a box and it's very heavy. And again, I said it was a 12-inch pizza, so it is bigger than what we're used to. And it just came out. So I went in there and pulled it out of the oven and cut it up. So let's take a look. Whoa, look at that bad boy. Look at the lacing. See that lacing? This is super hot. I don't know about you, but I'm excited about this one. This looks phenomenal. I gotta show you again. I mean, this is, look at that. I gotta say, just in appearance alone, this is by far one of the best pizzas I've seen. Oh, and the crunch. There's gotta be at least 12 pieces of mushroom on this pizza. That's a good mushroom count. Now, let's see about, oh, look at that. Look at that cheese. Now, you don't get that on a lot of the salsa bar style pizzas. You don't get that nice stretchy cheese like that. And look at the sauce just oozing out of there. And some nice flop. This is some good floppy pizza. Oh boy. Wow. I mean, the combination of the cheese, the sauce, the crust, and look how nice and thick that is. I mean, most salsa bar style pizzas, you don't get them that thick. Look at that. Nice. And then you get these nice bubbles in the end here. Wow. Oh. The bacon. Unbelievable. The sauce. To die for. The crust, I mean, you can't go wrong with. Look at that. Look at the way that's cooked. Talk about salsa bar style pizza. Domino's must have invested who knows how much money, billions of dollars probably, to get the best salsa bar style pizza they could find. The cheese, it's not cheddar, definitely not cheddar. Some magic cheese, and the bacon, when you can find a piece on there. Oh. And the crunch on the end. Never mind biscuit or cracker. This is like a loaf of bread. So good. Now, wait till you see this next piece, because this has everything you could want. I mean, look at the stretch on that cheese. You don't find that. I don't know where they're getting this magic cheese. But Linwood, you got to step up your game. I mean, look at this. 2 mushrooms on that pizza, 2. And then if you look carefully, there's a couple pieces of bacon on there. And look at the lacing on this pizza. And I didn't even ask for lacing. Oh, this is unbelievable. I don't even have to wait till the end of this. This pizza, I mean, I have my top 10 Salvatore Bar style pizzas so far. But this bad boy, this is in a whole league by itself. All right, I'm gonna eat the rest of this pizza, and I'm gonna come back and give my final thoughts. But I can tell you right now, by far, this blows the doors off of anything you've ever tried. You got to get over to Domino's. If there's one near you, go there. Go there tonight and do yourself a favor. Stop going to these rinky-dink places and get over to Domino's and try their pizza and tell them Russ sent you. Now, if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? You can tell I know what I'm doing right here. You can tell. This is top-notch. I mean, this is a multi-billion-dollar company. Of course they have the best pizza. This is unbelievable. So I'll be back with my final thoughts. I'm going to make my way through this pizza. I'll be back with my final thoughts. I'm back with my final thoughts. So I ate as much of that pizza as I possibly could. And here's my final thoughts. April Fools! This pizza is not Salvatore Bar style pizza. Let me show you how much I ate. This is what I ate. That's it. I ain't eating no more. So, if you make your way over to Domino's, don't tell them Russ sent you. Have a great day. April Fools, everyone.